Hi students, welcome to Kakatiya Junior College online classes. Welcome to Maths 1B. Okay na? So now 20th class. So what is our topic? Transformation of axis. What is our running topic? Transformation of axis. So now we are continuing the problem. Already third bit started and two problems completed. Now the third question. When the axes are rotated through an angle alpha, find the transformed equation of x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to Pm. So here, when the axes are rotated through an angle alpha, a rotation of angle what is given? Alpha is given. Find the transformed equation of this equation. That is nothing but we are finding transformed equation. That is the meaning of given equation is which equation, sir? Original equation. Given equation is the original equation. We are finding the transformed equation. We are finding. Okay, now find the transformed equation of this one is. That's why the given equation is the original equation. We are finding the transformed equation. What is the transformed coordinates? Capital X comma capital Y are the transformed coordinates. See the solution. Here rotation of angle. What is given, sir? Rotation of angle. Rotation of angle, that is nothing but here we are taking rotation of angle theta is equal to alpha. So here let capital X comma capital Y are transformed coordinates. Are transformed coordinates. Next here small x comma small y are original coordinates. Small x comma small y are original coordinates. Capital X comma capital Y are transformed coordinates. Small x comma small y are original coordinates. Now given equation is which equation, sir? Original equation. We are finding the transformed equation. That's why given equation is the original equation. Here we are writing given original equation is what is the mean? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to Pm. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Now this original variables we are transforming to which one, sir? Transformed coordinates. What are the transformed coordinates? Capital X comma capital Y. Small x comma small y we are expressing into capital X comma capital Y. Okay now. So we have the in the rotation of axis we have the relation between the transformed coordinates and original coordinates is there. We have the relation is there. Okay now. Here rotation of angle alpha. Here capital X capital Y X Ym. Here cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Small x small y capital X capital Y cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Okay na? So this original variables we are expressing in terms of transformed variables. What is the transformed variables are? Capital X comma capital Y. So we are writing small x value we are expressing in terms of capital X. That's why we are taking small x value we are taking. Small x is the horizontal line. Small x is equal to. We are taking the horizontal line. What is there? Cos theta is there minus sin theta. Capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Okay now. Small y is equal to what is the small y, sir? Here second horizontal line. Sin theta cos theta. Here small y is equal to capital X sin theta. Capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Okay now. This is the small x, small y. But here theta is equal to what is the rotation of angle? Alpha is there. Here theta is equal to alpha. So given original equation we are taking, this is the equation 1. Here theta is equal to alpha, small x is equal to capital X into cos alpha minus capital Y into what is the value? Sin alpha. Here small y is equal to capital X into sin alpha plus capital Y into cos alpha. Okay now? Here substituting small x is equal to which one, sir? Small x is equal to capital X cos alpha minus capital Y sin alpha. Substituting small x is equal to capital X cos alpha minus capital Y sin alpha. Here small y is equal to capital X sin alpha plus capital Y cos alpha in equation 1. Substituting small x is equal to capital X cos alpha minus capital Y sin alpha. Small y is equal to capital X sin alpha plus capital Y cos alpha in equation 1. Here in this place, small x is equal to this one, capital X cos alpha minus capital Y sin alpha. Small y is equal to capital X sin alpha plus capital Y cos alpha. Okay now? Here we are substituting this one. X is equal to capital X cos alpha minus capital Y sin alpha into what is there here? Cos alpha plus small y is equal to capital X sin alpha plus capital Y cos alpha into what is the here? Sin alpha is equal to what is the value? P. Now this value multiplied to inside. Cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha. Capital X into cos square alpha minus capital Y into which one, sir? Sin alpha into cos alpha minus capital Y into sin alpha into cos alpha plus here capital X into sin alpha sin square alpha, capital X into sin square alpha plus capital Y into cos alpha sin alpha is there. There is nothing but sin alpha into cos alpha is equal to what is the value? P. Here minus sin alpha cos alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha both are cancellable. Minus sin alpha cos alpha minus y sin alpha cos alpha plus y sin alpha cos alpha both are cancelled. Capital X cos square alpha, capital X sin square alpha is equal to Pm. So capital X here sin square alpha first we are writing, capital X cos square alpha is equal to P. These two terms we can take the common, capital X is the common value, remaining sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to P. Capital X into 1 is equal to Pm. Therefore x is equal to P, that implies capital X minus P is equal to 0. X is equal to P, that implies capital X minus P equal to 0. The required transformed equation, what is the required transformed equation, sir? Capital X minus P is equal to 0 or capital X is equal to Pm. Okay na? So required transformed equation is capital X is equal to PR, capital X minus P equal to 0. All of you write down carefully. Next, see the next question. See the next question. Fourth one, continuation next question. When the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6, when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6, find the transformed equation of x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. Same question, amma. The given equation is which equation, sir? Original equation. We are finding which one, sir? Transformed equation. Here rotation of angle, what is given, sir? Pi by 6. Find the transformed equation of this one. That is the meaning of transformed equation we are finding. That's why the given equation is the original equation. Okay, now we are finding transformed equation we are finding. See the solution. First, rotation of angle. here rotation of angle. What is the rotation of angle, sir? Theta is equal to pi by 6. Pi అంటే ఎంత 180 by 6. That is nothing but 30 degrees. Pi by 6, 180 by 6, 30 degrees. Okay now? We are finding transformed equation. That's all. Given equation is the original equation. So let capital X comma capital Y are transformed coordinates. Transformed coordinates. Capital X comma capital Y are transformed coordinates. Here small x comma small y are original coordinates. Small x comma small y are original coordinates. Okay now? Here what is the given original equation? We are finding which one, sir? Transformed equation. Given equation, which equation, sir? Original equation. Okay now? Here given original equation is what is the given original equation? X square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. X square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. This is the equation 1. Given original equation is this one. X square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to a square is the given original equation. Okay now? Now we are finding the transformed equation. So we know that the relation between the new coordinate system and old coordinate system. This is new coordinate system and old coordinate system. Here what is the rotation of angle, sir? Theta is equal to pi by 6. Here small x small y, capital X capital Y. Here cos theta minus sin theta. Here sin theta cos theta. Small x is equal to, here this original variables we are expressing in terms of transformed variables. That's why we want small x comma small y. We are taking the horizontal line. We want capital X comma capital Y. We are taking the vertical lines. Okay now? Small x is equal to, and what is the value of small x, sir? Capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. Small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Here in this one, substituting theta is equal to, what is the value? 30 degrees. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Small x is equal to capital X into cos 30 minus capital Y into sin 30. Capital X into cos 30 minus capital Y into sin 30. Capital X into, what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 value root 3 by 2 minus capital Y into sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore we are substituting small x is equal to, here root 3 into capital X minus capital Y by 2. Small x is equal to root 3 into capital X minus capital Y by 2. Here also theta is equal to 30 degrees. Theta is equal to, what is the value? 30 degrees. Pi by 6 or 30 degrees, both are same. Small y is equal to capital X into sin 30 plus capital Y into, what is the value, sir? Cos 30. Small y is equal to capital X into sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 plus capital Y into cos 30. What is the value of cos 30, sir? Root 3 by 2. Therefore small y is equal to capital X plus root 3 into capital Y by 2. Small y is equal to capital X plus root 3 into capital Y by 2. This is the small x. These two values substituting in which one, sir? Equation 1. Where is the small x is there in that place? root 3x, root 3 into capital X minus capital Y by 2. Whereas small x is there, that is capital X plus root 3 into Y by 2. That is nothing but original variables we are expressed as transformed variables. What are the transformed variables, sir? Capital X comma capital Y. Okay, na? We are substituting which one, sir? In equation 1. This is the equation 1. Now we are writing required transformed equation. Required transformed equation is, this is the required transformed equation. Small x is equal to, you are writing root 3x minus y by 2. Small x is equal to root 3 into capital X minus capital Y by 2. Here we are writing whole square, x square plus what is the 2 root 3 into capital X into capital, sorry, small x into small y. Small x is equal to here root 3 into capital X minus capital Y by 2 into y is equal to what is the value, sir? Capital X plus root 3 into capital Y by 2. This is 2 root 3 into xy minus y square minus y. Small y is equal to capital X plus root 3 y by 2. Capital X plus root 3 y by 2 whole square is equal to x square plus 2 root 3 xy. 2 root 3 xy minus y square. Y is equal to capital X plus root 3 y by 2 whole square is equal to 2a square. Okay, now? So all of you first note on this one. All of you write down clearly. Must and should maintain the fair notebook, dear students. See here, now we are continuing this one. So in this equation we are simplifying, sir. So root 3x minus y by 2 whole square. There is nothing but here, this is in which form? A minus b whole square by 2. By 2 is there, 2 square is nothing but 4. In the numerator value root 3x minus y whole square. Root 3x minus y whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square is nothing but here root 3 into capital X whole square minus 2 root 3 into capital X into capital Y plus b square capital Y square by 2 square is nothing but which is, sir? 4. 2 square is equal to 4. Here also 2 into 2, what is the value? 4. 2 root 3 is there. 2 root 3 into, in the denominator value 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. Root 3x into capital X. Capital root 3, sorry. Root 3 into capital X into x. That is nothing but, here what is the value? Root 3 x square. Root 3 into x square. Here root 3x into root 3y. Root 3 into root 3, what is the value? Root 3 into root 3, 3. X into y, capital X into capital Y. Plus root 3 into root 3, that is nothing but 3 into capital X into capital Y. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Capital X into capital Y. 3 into capital X into capital Y. Here minus y into capital X. Minus capital Y into capital X. Minus capital X Y. Minus capital X Y. Next minus y into root 3y. Minus y into root 3y. Minus into plus minus. Minus root 3 into y into y. What is the value? Y square. Minus root 3 into y square by 4. 2 into 2, 4. Next minus of x plus root 3y by 2 whole square. That is nothing but capital X square plus root 3y is there. Root 3y whole square is nothing but 3y square. Root 3 whole square is nothing but 3 capital Y square. 2ab next plus 2 into x is a is nothing but x, b is nothing but root 3y. So 2 root 3 capital X, capital Y by what is the value? 4 is equal to what is the number? 2a square is equal to 2a square. So LCM value is 4. 4 into 2 what is the value? 8. Okay na? Now we are simplifying this one. LCM value is which one sir? 4 is there. 4 is the LCM value. Okay na? Now this is nothing but root 3x, root 3 into capital X whole square. 3 into capital X square. Root 3 x whole square is nothing but 3 into capital X square minus 2 root 3 into capital X capital Y plus Y square. Next this value multiplying to the inside. 4 is LCM. 2 root 3 into root 3 x square. Root 3 into root 3 3m. That is nothing but 2 into 3 6. 6 into capital X square. Here observe this one. Root 3 into root 3 3m. 2 into 3 6x square. Plus next what is the number? 2 root 3 into 3xy. 2 into 3 6 root 3 into capital X capital Y. 6 root 3 capital X capital Y. Okay na? Here next 2 root 3 into minus xy minus 2 root 3 capital X capital Y. Plus into minus minus 2 root 3 into root 3. What is the value? Root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. 2 into 3 6 minus 6 y square. Okay na? Here minus capital X square minus 3y square minus 2 root 3 capital X capital Y. There is minus is there. Minus x square minus 3y square minus 2 root 3 capital X capital Y is equal to what is the number? 2a square. Here 4 into 2 what is the value? 8. Okay now? Now we are writing x square terms and xy terms and constant values we are writing. Okay now? Here observe this one. 3x square plus 6x square. What is the value? 3x square plus 6x square. 9x square. 9x square minus x square. 8x square. Capital 8x square. Next this terms we are writing xy terms minus 2 root 3 xy. Next to minus 2 root 3 xy minus 2 root 3 xy minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 4 root 3 xy again minus 4 root 3 xy minus 6 root 3 xy total here minus 2 root 3 xy minus 2 root 3 xy minus 2 root 3 xy, that is minus 6 root 3 xy. There is already plus 6 root 3 xy is there, plus 6 root 3 xy minus 6 root 3 xy. Observe this one, minus 2 root 3 xy minus 2 root 3 xy minus 6 root 3 xy. Okay na? Next to constant terms sorry, y square terms sorry. What is the y square terms? Y square minus 6y square minus 3y square minus 6y square minus 3y square minus 9y square minus 9y square plus y square. What is the value sir? Minus 8y square minus 8y square is equal to 4 into 2. What is the value? 8a square. 4 into 8a square plus 6 root 3 xy minus 6 root 3 xy cancel. Remaining value 8x square minus 8y square is equal to 8a square. So the remaining terms we can take the common. Which is the common value sir? Remaining terms we can take the common. So 8 is the common value. 8 we are taking common. Capital X square minus capital Y square is equal to 8a square. 8 cancel. Capital X square minus capital Y square is equal to a square. Is the required transformed equation. Is the required transformed equation. Okay now? So all of you done carefully. This is the required transformed equation.